Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and check out this incredible customized Tesla Model 3 we just completed over here at the shop. Let me tell you what we did to it. Number one, the car started off its life as a gloss black car. Very cool, but not cool enough for this customer, because as you can see, we wrapped it using 3M Perfect Satin Blue film. And boy, is this perfect. What a great sheen, what a great color, whether indoors or outdoors, under the sun or at night. This blue really is perfect. And then we decided to take it one step further. Very popular trend right now, and that is chrome delete. So we got rid of all the chrome trim, and you'll notice the front Tesla T logo, the rear Tesla T logo, all the trim around the windows, the door handles, underneath the side mirrors. And also over here on the front cameras on the fenders are now satin black. We wrapped them in 3M satin black film. And then the perfect match, the one accessory that every Model 3 owner needs, and that is our TST wheels. We took the factory 18-inch Aero wheels off. The customer traded them in with us. We give a little bit of credit towards that. And then we put on our 19-inch wheel and tire package using Pirelli P0 Nero tires. And of course, our matte black TST wheels. These wheels are a perfect fit for your Model 3. And there are no adapters, there's no spacers, there's no hub-centric rings, none of that nonsense. As a matter of fact, you're even going to use the factory Tesla original lug nuts to mount the wheels. Now, since those lug nuts are silverish in color, we go ahead and sell our black lug nut covers. They slide right on, they're pressure fit, and it really helps to clean up the look. I think you will agree, this car is perfect. Truly one of a kind. I haven't seen another one out there yet. Have you? Well, for now, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. So many more exciting videos to come your way.